जय जगन्नाथ फ्रेंड्स। आज एसएसबी ओडिशा रा यूपीएससी फ्री सिविल सर्विस कोचिंग एग्जाम थिला, तो मु तार आंसर प्रिपेयर करिछि, सेटा हमें डिस्कशन करबा। क्वेश्चन 1। ओके, बिफोर क्वेश्चन 1 बीटा सेक्शन थिला, सेक्शन ए सेक्शन बी। सेक्शन ए रे ओनली जीएस थिला, तो मु जीएस रो आंसर डिस्कशन करिए। ओके, question 1. Which of the following statements accurately reflects the nature of India's parliamentary system? A. The President of India has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha at any time without consulting the Prime Minister. B. The Rajya Sabha enjoys equal legislative power as the Lok Sabha in passing the finance bill. C. The Council of Ministers remains in office as long as it enjoys the confidence of the Lok Sabha. D. A vote of no confidence can be moved either the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. So the correct answer will be option C. The Council of Ministers remains in office as long as it enjoys the confidence of Lok Sabha. So next question, question number 2. Consider the following statements about the Indian Constitution. I. The draft constitution was first presented in January 1948 by the drafting committee. Then 2. The constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950 except certain provisions enacted earlier. Then third, the constitution originally consisted of 395 articles and 8 schedules. Which of the above statements is or are correct? So the answer of option C, both second and third statement. Okay. Then which schedule of the constitution is related to the allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha? The answer of fourth schedule. Question number 4. The parliament can make any law for the whole or any part of India for implementing international treaties. So answer of question number 4, option D. Okay. Now question number 5. With reference to Constitution of India, consider the following statements. I. No High Court shall have the jurisdiction to declare any central law to be constitutionally invalid. Second statement. An amendment to the Constitution of India can't be called into question by the Supreme Court of India. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? So the answer will be option D, neither 1 nor 2. Which of the following statements about Niti Aayog is correct? The answer will be option C. Question number 7. Which of the following is a key principle of the theory of realism in international relations? So the answer will be option B. The answer will be option B. States are the central actors and prioritize their own survival. Question number 8. Which of the following statements regarding the I2U2 group is correct? So the answer will be option C. I2U2 aims to promote cooperation in areas such as water, energy, food security and health. Okay. Question number 9. Which one of the following is correct regarding climate change agreements? So the answer will be option D. All the answers are correct. Question number 10. Which of the following best illustrates the constructivist argument that state interests are socially constructed rather than fixed? The answer will be option C. State interests evolve based on interaction, identities, and shared norms within the international community. Question number 11, match the following books with their respective authors. So the correct answer will be option A. Okay, option A. So answer will be option A. Then which of the following statements about feminist writers and their contributions to international relations is incorrect? The answer will be option C. Okay. Option C, Charlotte Hooper argues that masculinity has no influence on the construction of states and global politics. 13, which Japanese mathematician got the Abel Prize? That will be option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Question number 14. Which of the following statements regarding the Padma Awards 2025 is incorrect? So the answer will be option C. Among Padma Bhushan awardees are renowned filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor and celebrated cricketer Ravichandran Ashwin. Okay, the Ravichandran Ashwin, the cricketer, got the award Padma Shri, not Padma Bhushan. Which of the following countries hosted the multinational air exercise Iniochos 25? That will be Greece. Option B. Okay. Question number 16. Which of the following statements about PM Modi's recent visit is correct? Okay. The answer will be option A. PM Modi visited Saudi Arabia, and where his plane was escorted by Saudi F-15 fighter jets, okay, as a gesture of goodwill. The option B is wrong because PM Modi visited Thailand in April, and option C is wrong because PM Modi visited Mauritius on its national day, which comes in March 12. That's why it will be wrong. Okay, and option D is wrong because PM Modi visited France for AI, not climate change. Okay, that was a AI summit in France, which India co-hosted with France. Okay, which of the following statements about India's recent technological advancement is correct? Question number 17. The answer will be option A. Okay. India developed 34 supercomputers with a combined computing power of 35 petaflops. Okay. Which of the following pairs of leaders and their roles is correctly matched? 18. Number 18 answer will be option A. Mark Carney, Prime Minister of Canada, Liberal Party. Question number 19. Find out the correct south to northward sequence of relief features. So answer will be option A. Okay. 20. Number 20. The answer will be Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. That is the correctly matched pair. Question number 21. Consider the following climatic and geographical phenomena. Thunder cloudy development is due to which of these phenomena? Okay, the answer will be option D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaziranga is known for rhino. Robusta is a variety of coffee produced in Africa. Which of these following deserts is not located on the African continent? That will be Gobi Desert. Okay, Gobi Desert near the China. Gobi Desert in China, bordering the Mongolia. 25. Which of the following rivers does not originate in India? The answer will be Satluj. Satluj originates from Mansarovar in Tibet. Okay. 26. Which one among the following has the largest livestock population in India? In the world? That will be answer will be option C, India. 27. Which of the following pollutants is most responsible for acid rain? That will be sulfur dioxide. Question number 28. What is the primary reason why deep sea ecosystem can sustain life despite the absence of sunlight? That will be option B, chemosynthesis by bacteria using hydrothermal vent minerals. What is the primary cause of ozone layer depletion? CFC. Very easy. Which biome has the highest type biodiversity? Question number 30. Answer will be tropical rainforest. Question number 31. Which of the following is the largest ecosystem on Earth? That will be biosphere. What is the name of the newspaper started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak? That will be, answer will be Kesari. Which session of the Indian National Congress declared complete independence as its goal? Answer to question number 33 will be Lahore session 1929. Okay. Then question number 34. Who founded Indian National Party in Berlin during 1914? Answer will be option D, Champa Kraman Pillai. Question number 35. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Answer will be option D, Dadra Nagar Haveli were under French colonial rule till 1954. It was the correct answer will be under Portuguese rule. Okay. 36. Which of the following statements about B.R. Ambedkar is correct? Option A. Okay. 37. The Gaddar party was, the answer will be option Revolutionary Association with the headquarters at San Francisco. 38. The Pune Pact, which was signed between Gandhi and Ambedkar, provided for joint electorate with reservation for Harijans. Option D. Okay. Question number 39. Which of the following can help in furthering government's objective of inclusive growth? Option D. All of them. Question number 40. The goals of 2030 agenda of SDG adopted by UN does not include, that will be option D, peace, justice and strong institution. The Niti Aayog do not consider which of the following health indicators in preparation of multidimensional poverty index in India. Answer will be option D, life expectancy. Niti Aayog uses 12 indicators for MPI. Okay. Answer will be option D. Who held the view that education does not bring about social change, rather the social change results into an educational change? Answer will be option D, Dewey. As per 2011 census, which of the following UT has the highest sex ratio? Answer will be Puducherry. Which of the following are characteristics of extractive institution in the development process? Answer will be option C, second and third. 45. Assertion to orbit around the sun, the planet Mars takes lesser time than the time taken by Earth. Reason: the diameter of planet Mars is less than that of Earth. Answer will be option D, A is false, but R is true. Okay. Mars takes much longer time than Earth to orbit. Okay. 46. Which of the following principles explains why an aeroplane is able to fly? Answer will be option C, Bernoulli's principle. In computer science, what does the term DNS stand for? Answer will be option B, domain name system. Who invented www? Answer will be Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 49. What type of blood cells are responsible for blood clotting? Answer will be option C, platelets. Last question, which Indian scientist played a significant role in development of a nuclear program in India? Answer will be option A, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. So that's it. Comment your score.